Looks like we got a project happening.
Yeah, it's nothing new with us. What I think we're gonna do is finally insulate this garage and drywall it, because you can see on this wall, it's just wide open. It's framed with 2x6s, so we can really pack some insulation in here. But what a project.
Yeah.
Because this wall, that wall on the other side of the Wraith.
Right, this is the large, big garage. So yeah, we've got the Wraith right there, so we've got these two walls.
And then the ceiling. That's gonna be the fun one, is the ceiling.
Wide open.
What I'm doing before we cover everything up is I bought a 30 amp outlet. Now we already have one for the Wraith. We have a 30 amp that's inside here right back in the corner. But from time to time we do have guests at the Wagner Resort. And there's no power outlet out there. And we have water, we have sewer out there, but we don't have power. So like when Schrag stayed and when Fitch's stayed, they were restricted to 15 amp. Now we can at least offer 30. I was this close to putting a 50 amp outlet out there, but the cost of the wire, here's the wire we're using for 30 amp. And that was expensive. It was like, oh, what, $62, $63 for 50 feet. And 50 amp was essentially going to double the price
of everything.
30 amp is plenty.
Yep.
Especially since it's really, really, really rare that somebody stays here. We did have Ed Hash and their family.
Yep.
They stayed in their Airstream. And again, they had 15 amp, sorry.
Yeah. We're now upgrading if you're back in the area, Ed.
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade to 30 amp. Since we're gonna be insulating, we're gonna have to insulate this too.
Yeah, just this little section.
Because this is exterior wall. This sticks out further than our house. This side over here, where you can see it's painted, it's like this knockdown type texture. It's all insulated behind there because from that point back is our living space.
Right.
Ooh, ah. That's pretty basic.
Pretty standard.
Yeah, nothing to it. It's made really well. I mean, it's made by Eaton.
Pretty good.
Wagner Resorts now have 30 amp power.
Out on the outside, we don't have to drag it through the inside.
Somebody will come over and freeload Mooch Dock and still complain it's not 50.
Yep. I would put my money on Fitch because I think theirs is a 50 amp. I don't know if Shrag's is.
I think Shrag's 50.
We all know one thing, Kenny won't complain.
No, Kenny will not. Kenny's always happy. Good enough.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little heavy on the silicone, but better to have too much silicone. No.
Yeah. Terminated it outside. Now we get to terminate it inside. And by we,
you mean me.
I mean Mike. I did help pull the wire, so.
That was a chore. But I can see the light at the end of the tunnel now. We are getting close.
Yeah. Now you need your thing with the 2 things.
Yep, we'll check the voltage on it.
It's crazy because when I seen you guys' video, and I mean Jackie was watching, I'm downstairs, I got my mom in the lazy boy, I'm kickback. And I'm like, cutie, Jackie, Mike got that thingy with the 2 things. He can test some stuff, he got it with him. Remember I said that? You see, you should have to do it. I said, I got to do it.
This is the thing with the 2 things.
The thing with the 2 things on there.
Moment of truth. Yep. Good to go.
Sweet. Good work, Mikey.
Wasn't bad at all.
Yeah. Seemed to go pretty quick. Pulling the wire was the longest part, it seemed like.
50 amp would have been better, but 30's plenty.
It'll work. I'm sure our guests won't complain.
I hope not.
Yeah, they better not. If they do, there's the road.
You know, this campsite actually comes with a fire ring,
Yeah.
and you can see that really hasn't been used very
It's
much.
good. Yeah, our fire ring right there, yeah. Yeah,
Good.
you get the trash cans right at your disposal and recycle. Perfect.
Yeah, what else could you ask for?
Piper, come here. Hey,
Piper, come.
come on, Pipey.
Girl Piper.
She wants to play with the neighbor's decoys.
This is probably our last chance to go topless.
Yeah.
And the doors and top have yet to be off Lynn's new Jeep, so...
And that's what I want to do today. I want to take the top, the doors off. It's going to be 80 today and tomorrow.
And it's probably not going to happen again.
Yep, so...
Luckily, Jeep gives you all the tools you need to do it.
Yeah, that's very convenient. Ooh, I'm excited!
Oh, these are light.
That lifted off quick.
These are way lighter than mine.
Man, just lifted right off of there.
Yeah. Never pulled the hard top off before, but it looks pretty self-explanatory. Looks like there's these 3 bolts along the sides, 3 on that side, so there's 6 in here, and there's going to be 2 up front to get, and then this should lift off. It doesn't look heavy. I prefer a soft top. I've had my soft top through just since January last year, and I didn't have any issues in the winter or anything, but I don't know, we'll see.
Yeah.
It's ready to come off. And I mean, Jeep makes it easy, and they should give you storage for all your nuts and bolts. Here's door hinges. This is all roof.
And windshield over there. That was pretty cool. I liked that.
Yeah, I mean, they give you the tools to do it. Everything's super easy. Now we just gotta pop this roof off. All right, it's ready to come off. It's all unbolted. I think it's gonna take 2 people.
Yeah.
Under there. Ready? Yeah. Straight back.
Heavy.
What?
Heavy was flipping back. It's kind of like awkward, but definitely a 2-person job for me anyway.
It wasn't bad, but I'll say, in my opinion, definitely soft top for the win. People love the hard top, that's fine, but I, from this point on, will only buy a soft top.
There she is, all topless. And doorless. Cool.
What'd you think?
It was fun. I liked it. Very windy. But
It was
fun.
extremely windy today.
Yeah. Unfortunately, no camping this weekend, but we did stay active, as you can see.
We did RV things,
Yeah.
or one RV thing.
And Jeep thing, and I think we're gonna start doing some other things around the house this weekend because it's so nice out. I really wanted to camp, but because it's so nice out, it's good to get stuff around the house done before the weather makes a turn.
We can always garage camp.
That is definitely gonna happen.
What do you guys think? Thumbs up if we should garage camp.
So until next time.
See ya.